Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Vivian. Today we will learn how to make tomato porridge. It's a simple dish which is suitable for breakfast. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 100 grams of rice. Prepare a large bowl. Then put the rice in the bowl. Add some water to the bowl. Wash the rice several times. Then save them for later. Second, we need to prepare 3 tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes like cubes. And then dice them. Then chop a few times, trying to chop the tomatoes as little as possible. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 3 eggs. Break them into a bowl. Then, add a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And then use chopsticks to break up the eggs. Beat like this. Save it for later. Now we can start to cook the tomato porridge. Firstly, we should add 1.5 liters of water to the pot. Then add the clean rice in. Turn to medium heat or high heat to boil the water. After the rice boils, continue to cook for 10 minutes. Stirring from time to time. When you see the rice grains softened, pour the tomatoes in. Stir the tomatoes roughly. And cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Try to soften the tomatoes as much as possible. Then pour in the beaten egg. Stir them evenly and cook for a minute. Finally, add 1 teaspoon salt, stir well, and then turn off the heat. The fragrant tomato porridge is ready. The tomato porridge cooked in this way is beautiful in color and rich in nutrition. Please enjoy it.